Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Journey. In the rest of the world, this vehicle is known as Fiat Freemont, guys. So practically the same car under two different names. Now, what we will be showing you today, guys, where to find the fuse for the PCM. This is the Powertrain Control Module. This is the engine computer, guys. Engine transmission computer that it controls so many things. Okay, I'm talking about this PCM right here. This is your Powertrain Control Module. So there is a fuse for that, guys, and if the fuse is blown, your car will not start, okay, it will not work. So let us introduce you guys quick to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Quite a few videos will be made. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So what do we need to do now? You have one fuse box under the hood, one behind the glove box compartment. Okay, we need to find the fuse box under the hood. Doesn't matter which engine you have, guys. Okay, this is the fuse box. You can see those two things. Squeeze them towards each other, pull up. Perfect. Now, if you guys, okay, flip that layout this way, it will correspond to the fuses, okay, right here. We need to locate fuse number 150. It says PCM Control Module 25M fuse. Okay, it's that little guy right there. So we'll need to go ahead and pull that one out. Okay, let's see if we'll be able to use the fuse puller or we'll have to remove the relay to pull it. We might have to grab that relay and okay, just pull it out of the way so we can get to that one. Okay, perfect, just like that. And this is, guys, the fuse. I'll grab the new one now. Okay, give me a second. Okay, this is the new one. You can see where we buy them from in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. You can see if it's blown, you'll be able to see it. You don't even need to test those. Most of the times you can see it. If you want to see how we test them, it's on the channel, guys. So, all we have to do now, install the fuse. If you remove the relay, put the relay at the same place where you removed it, because otherwise your car will not start again. So hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.